Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create blocks in AutoCAD. Blocks are one of the most powerful features in AutoCAD because they allow you to save drawing objects as reusable components. Instead of drawing the same object repeatedly, you can create it once as a block and insert it whenever needed. Blocks are commonly used for furniture, doors, windows, symbols, fixtures, equipment, title blocks, and many other elements that appear multiple times within a project. A block is a collection of one or more objects that are combined into a single reusable object. Blocks help you save drafting time, maintain consistency, reduce drawing size, improve organization, and reuse objects quickly. Common examples of blocks. Blocks are often used for furniture, doors, windows, electrical symbols, plumbing fixtures, title blocks, and mechanical components. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then, open the drawing that contains the object you want to convert into a block. The objects that will become the block must already exist in the drawing. Click and select the objects you want to turn into a block. Only the selected objects will become part of the new block. Go to the command line and type block. Then press Enter. The block definition dialog box opens next. This is where you define the block name, the insertion point, the included objects, and the block settings. Locate the name field and type a meaningful name for your block. Next, define the base point for the block. The base point acts as the insertion point whenever the block is placed into a drawing. You can either specify on screen or pick a point within the drawing. Within the Objects section, confirm the objects that will be included in the block. Within the block definition window, you'll also see behavior and insertion options. What these settings control. They determine how the block behaves, whether it can be exploded, scaling options, and insertion settings. After reviewing the settings, click OK. Result. The selected objects are now saved as a block. What you'll notice, the objects are converted into a single block object. To use the block, go to the command line and type Insert. Then press Enter. The Insert panel opens. Within the Insert panel, look for the block you just created. You will usually find it under Recent Blocks or the current drawing library. AutoCAD automatically stores newly created blocks within the current drawing. Click on the block you created. A preview of the block appears. Drag the block into your drawing workspace and place it where needed. Result. The block is inserted into the drawing. Instead of redrawing the object, you now have an identical reusable copy. Why this is useful? You can insert the same block multiple times, in different locations, and across different projects, without recreating it. Professional CAD users create libraries of frequently used blocks to dramatically increase drafting speed and maintain consistency across projects. Additional tip. If you edit a block definition later, all inserted copies of that block can update automatically, saving significant time. What you just accomplished? You selected drawing objects, created a block definition, assigned a block name, specified a base point, defined block behavior, saved the block, and inserted it back into the drawing. Why blocks are essential in AutoCAD? Blocks are one of the most important productivity tools in AutoCAD because they eliminate repetitive drawing work and ensure consistency throughout a project. To summarize, creating a block in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and selecting the objects you want to reuse. After typing block into the command line and pressing Enter, the block definition window opens. Here, you provide a block name, specify a base point, either by picking a point or selecting it on screen, and confirm the objects and behavior settings. Clicking OK saves the selected objects as a block. To use the block, type Insert into the command line, press Enter, locate the block in the Recent Blocks section, and drag it into the drawing workspace. The block can then be placed and reused wherever needed. And that's how to create blocks in AutoCAD. Blocks are one of the most valuable tools in CAD drafting because they eliminate repetitive drawing work and ensure consistency throughout a project. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.